Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Harsha from Noobs Portal. Today we are gonna see how to install Anaconda Navigator, OpenCV, TensorFlow and pip packages in Linux. I am using Linux Mint, but it works on all other Linux distros. First, let's update the packages. Open the terminal with Ctrl Alt T, then type sudo apt-get update to update all the packages. I'm going to type the password. So the update is done. Now type clear to clear the terminal if you want so. Now let's go to the browser and type anaconda.org. Now click on the first link. Go to the download Anaconda. Click download. I'm gonna use this 64-bit installer. Once you click this, click save file. So your .sh file will be saved in your downloads. So once the download is done, you can check it in the files. I'm going to go to the downloads, check there is a .sh file. Now let's close the file and copy this command and paste it in a terminal. Just give enter. These are all the license and agreement. You can read if you want. I'm just skipping to the last part. I'm just giving enter until I reach the question. And just type yes and give enter. And the installation starts and it takes quite some time. I'm just skipping to the end part. So now the installation is done. You don't have any errors. Now let's open the terminal and type Anaconda Navigator. This is to check whether the installation is done properly, and this is the way you open the Anaconda Navigator. Now the Anaconda Navigator is open. Just skip these stuffs. And here you can see the Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, IPython console, SpiderRobot Notebook, etc, etc. So this is how you open. Now let me close this and clear the terminal. Now let's open the Jupyter Notebook by typing the command. So you don't have to go to Anaconda Navigator every time when you want to open the Jupyter Notebook. You can just type this command and directly go to the Jupyter Notebook. Let me open a new Python 3 file and let's check whether it works fine. I'm gonna do the hello world program here. Then here it goes. So type print hello world. Now press shift enter to execute the block, and here it goes. You can see it executes fine and there are no errors, so which means the Jupyter Notebook has been installed properly. Now let me close this Jupyter Notebook. And give Ctrl C to terminate. Now let's do the pip installation. Type the following command in terminal: sudo apt install python 3-pip and give enter. Give y and give enter. So the installation is now completed. Now let's upgrade the pip package with this command: pip install -- upgrade pip. Give enter. So all the pip packages will be up to date once the update is completed. Now pip is up to date. give clear. Now let's install TensorFlow with pip. So copy the command or type the command in the terminal. Pip install TensorFlow, give enter. So it's a 400 MB file, so it takes quite some time to get all the packages to be installed. So I'm just going to skip to the end part. So the packages has been installed successfully. Just give clear, and let's open the Jupyter notebook and open a new file, Python 3. Let's just import the TensorFlow package to check whether the packages have been installed successfully. So I'm going to use import TensorFlow as tf command, and here it runs without any error. Let's install OpenCV with the pip. So type the command pip install opencv-python in the terminal and give enter. So it's installed successfully. It's clear. And open the Jupyter notebook and run the command import cv2, which is the command to import the OpenCV package. Here it runs successfully, so there are no errors in installing the TensorFlow as well as OpenCV. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. Like, share and subscribe, and comment down if you have any queries.